Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Geoband workshop. I'm Mijeong Kim from Seoul, South Korea. For the next 90 minutes, we will explore amazing structures together. Please look at these structures. Touch them. Feel them. What do you feel? Flexible? Stable? Mathematical? Artistic? Today, you will create these. Look at this difference. Traditional polyhedra are rigid, but Geoband is flexible. Rigid becomes flexible. Static becomes dynamic. Individual becomes connected. Are you ready for this transformation? Today we learn about mutual support. What is mutual support? Each piece helps others and gets help from others, like Leonardo da Vinci's bridge. No nails, no glue, only mutual support. Why is Geoband different? Traditional materials are rigid. Geoband is flexible. Look at these holes. 4 holes in each strip. 4 holes plus buttons equal infinite possibilities. This is a soccer ball, and this is our Geoband structure. Same shape, different materials. 12 pentagons, 20 triangles. This is mathematics you can touch. Beautiful mathematics. Now the most important rule. End hole over middle hole. Let me show you. This is end hole. This is middle hole. End hole goes over middle hole, like this, not like that. This rule is very important. Let's see our journey today. Phase 1 is complete. We are here now. Next, we build together. Then we create freely. Finally, we share and reflect. From curiosity to creation. Look around your table. Everything is ready for you. Physical resources at your table. Digital support on your phone. Human help all around you. We work together for your success. Welcome to your learning ecosystem. Each table is complete. Color-coded materials. Waterproof guide cards. QR codes for personal help. Groups of 4 to 5 people. Everything you need is here. Now we start building. Start simple. Triangle with 3 bands. Pentagon with 5 bands. Remember the golden rule. End hole over middle hole. Take your time. Practice together. Choose your learning style. Watch the main screen together, or use QR codes for personal pace. Green card means going well. Yellow card means need some help. Red card means need help now. Don't worry. Help is everywhere. Time to expand your modules. From modules to structures. From flat to curved. From individual to collaborative. Add triangles around your pentagon. Work as a team. Great structures need teamwork. You have 4 levels of support. Level 1, your team. Level 2, other tables. Level 3, expert help. Level 4, digital resources. No one works alone here. Ask for help anytime. Watch the magic happen. Flat becomes curved. Simple becomes complex. Amazing transformation. Almost there. Fill the remaining gaps. Add more buttons for strength. Check your structure. 12 pentagons, 20 triangles. Congratulations. You did it. Amazing teamwork. Now free your creativity. No rules now, only possibilities. No mistakes, only discoveries. Follow your imagination. What will you create? Many resources for your creativity. Need more materials? Visit the supply station. Need inspiration? Check QR codes. Need help with technique? Experts are walking around. Share ideas with other tables. Time to share your discoveries. What surprised you most? What was challenging? Show us your creation. Tell us your story. Fascinating. That's very creative. How did you think of that? Welcome to our gallery. Each group present your masterpiece. What inspired this design? Magnificent work. Incredible creativity. Look at this diversity. Round of applause for everyone. Look what we created together. 90 minutes ago, we were strangers. Now we are collaborators. Mathematics became tangible. Individual became collective. Time to organize our materials. Take photos of your creations first. What did we learn together? Mathematics becomes touchable. Community creates possibility. Every learner finds their path. Adaptation leads to innovation. You experienced learning ecosystems. Take this with you. Thank you for this amazing journey. Please stay in touch. My email is here. Geoband ships worldwide. Take your creativity everywhere. Questions? Let's talk. Thank you again.